Hey guys, it's Elliot here with Worldwide TV. I'm joined once again by Jim Pope, and we want to show you a few more of the cool cars going across the block this Friday, the 26th at 11 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. Behind us, we have a plum crazy purple Plymouth Cuda with the pistol grip stick shift. It's pretty much exactly how you'd want one of these automobiles.
And the condition of this is actually unbelievable. So, rotisserie restoration, over 400 grand spent on that level of that car. It's just amazing. Brand new drag pack car, never been raced.
Yep.
Less than 50 of those cars made. Just really two cars that are amazing collection.
This thing, we got to hear it yesterday. It sounds thunderous.
I want to take it out on the road.
I know, so do I, but of course it's for the drag strip only, which is a shame, but it's more than ready to do the task. But this is what I really wanted to talk about, Jim, this 1965 Chevrolet Corvette, and I understand this is an NCRS car.
Correct.
If you know anything about Corvettes and their standards, that is the tip of the top of how good a condition can be for one of these cars. So
yeah, this particular car, 65, last year of the fuel injection, L48 car, 4-speed, complete matching from drivetrain all the way through to the engine, including the fuel injection unit, is matching to the car as well. The documents, Elliot, are amazing. Literally, they're this thick for that car. As you go through and you look at the records, I'm just blown away. We see a lot of documented cars, naturally at Worldwide. We deal with really the best that's out there that's offered. And every page is just literally documented of all the NOS parts that were used to make this car back to its original amazing condition. Known history from you. It's just one of the most desired, again, blue chip car that you would ever want to have in your collection.
Yeah, and it shows it. I mean, that's an absolutely incredible car. And again, it will be going up for auction this Friday here in Scottsdale, Arizona at 11 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. And you can watch it right here on the Worldwide TV, or if you could be here in person, we'll see you at 11 a.m. at Scottsdale.